Bravo wait 23, Jazz 954.
Charlie Foxtrot, Bravo, Echo Lima, Toronto Tower, caution point 0187 landed ahead, winds 170 at 10, gusting 15 knots, clear to land runway 248. Where are you parking today? Air Transat 690 Heavy, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
Get a few more minutes for Transat 690.
Okay, Transat 690, hold short runway 23, advise ready.
Hold short, advise ready, Transat 690.
That's Air Canada 415, we cleared the ILS, runway 24 right approach.
Canada 415, Toronto Tower, good afternoon, winds 160 at 9, gusting 15 knots, clear to land runway 24 right.
924 right, Air Canada 415.
Transat 690, fully ready.
Air Transat 690 Heavy, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
Get up 23, Transat 690.
Air Transat 690 Heavy, winds 1907 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear for takeoff 23, Air Transat 690.
Air Canada 106, exit Charlie 4, join Foxtrot, contact ground 129, good day.
Fox 219, Air Canada 106.
Air Transat 690, contact departure 128.8, good day.
288, Air Transat 690, good day, sir. Shut up on runway 23, there you go.
Westshed 665, Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up 23, Westshed 665.
Westshed 665, winds 150 at 11, gusting 19 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
1 minute in position, that's okay, for Westshed 665.
Westshed 665, that's fine, takeoff clearance is still valid, just let me know when you're rolling.
Yeah, we'll let you know when we're rolling, takeoff sound, so it's still valid, Westshed 665.
Traffic on 4901 on the visual for 24 right.
Jamal 4901, Toronto Tower, winds 150 at 12 knots, clear to land runway 248.
Cleared land runway 24 right, on 4901.
On the roll, runway 2.
Westshed 665, contact departure 128.8, good day.
188, Westshed 665.
Jazz 651, Toronto Tower, line up and wait runway 23.
Line up wait runway 23, Jazz 651.
Jamal 4901, turn right on Charlie, contact ground 129, good day.
Charlie on 1219, on 4901, good day.
Jazz 651, winds 210 at 7, gusting 19 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff runway 23, Jazz 651.
Tower, this is Charlie Golf, Zulu Golf Bravo with you squawking 1235.
Golf Zulu Golf Bravo, Toronto Tower, squawk ident, ancillary altitude, the altimeter 2996.
Squawking ident 2996, altitude 2000 feet, Zulu Golf Bravo.
Good day, Air Canada 138, ILS 24, right.
Air Canada 138, Toronto Tower, winds 170 at 12 knots, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Air Canada 138.
Air Canada 138, exit Charlie 2, hard right turn Charlie, contact ground 129.
Charlie 2, Charlie, over to ground, Air Canada 138.
Tower, good day, Air Canada 879 with you, we're now final.
Air Canada 879 Heavy, Toronto Tower, winds 160 at 12 knots, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Air Canada 879.
Air Canada 794 Heavy, ILS 248.
Air Canada 794 Heavy, Toronto Tower, winds 170 at 11, gusting 16 knots. Number 2, flying company 87, 2 miles final, caution wake turbulence, clear to land runway 24 right.
Number 2, clear to land 248, Air Canada 794.
Air Canada 879, exit Charlie 4, join Foxtrot, contact ground 129er.
Charlie 4, Foxtrot 1219, Air Canada 879.
Canada 794, exit Charlie 4, join Foxtrot, contact ground 129.
Charlie 4, Foxtrot 209, Canada 794.
Tower, Ocean 436, ILS 248.
Ocean 436, Toronto Tower, hello, wind 160 at 13, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Ocean 436.
Four 36, exit Charlie 4, join Fox, contact ground 1219.
Charlie 4, Fox, Westship 436. Tower, good day, Air Canada 911 with you, Novo final. Right.
Air Canada 911, hello, wind 170 at 12, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Air Canada 911.
Tower, good afternoon, Air Canada 821, established 24 right.
Canada 821 Heavy, Toronto Tower, hello, wind 170 at 13, your number 2, following the 320 mile final, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land, Air Canada 821.
FA25, departure now 128.8.
1288, Gather 825, how good is?
Charlie 2, alright, Charlie, ground 219.
Charlie 2, Charlie 219, Air Canada
911. 4419, caution, wake turbulence 350, departed ahead, wind 190 at 10, clear for takeoff, runway 23.
Clear for takeoff, runway 23, and then clear for 4419.
Target A, Westship 365 is with you, ILS 24 right.
Westship 365, Toronto Tower, hello, wind 170 at 12, caution, wake turbulence 87 rolling out, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear on 24 right, caution turbulence, Westship 365.
Canada 821, next Charlie 4, then straight for Fox, ground 219.
Charlie 4, Fox 219, Canada 821.
France 256, good afternoon, on final 24 right.
WestJet 365, at Charlie 2, heart rate Charlie, ground 219.
Charlie 2, Charlie 219, Westship 365.
France 356 Heavy, Toronto Tower, hello, and 180, 11, gusting 16, clear to land runway 24 right.
Do say again, please, Air France 356.
Air France 356. Toronto Tower, hello, wind 180 at 11, gusting 16. You are clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Air France 356.
France 356, Charlie 4, straight ahead for Foxtrot. Contact ground 1219.
Straight ahead, Foxtrot 1219, Air France 356 right.
Sir, good afternoon, Air Canada 108 Heavy, 7 miles back, 24 right.
Air Canada 10 Heavy, Toronto Tower, hello, wind 160 at 12, clear to land runway 24 right.
Land 24 right, Air Canada 108.
Core 3123, contact departure 128.8.
28.8, Core 3123, getting.
4901 Tower, line up runway 23.
I'm going to need a bottom main or something, 4901, waiting for the flight then.
Yeah, no problem. There's no one behind you there, so line up. You're next to go. Advise ready.
I do. We'll line up and let you know. 4901, 423.
Air Canada 108, exit Charlie 4, and then join Foxtrot. Contact ground 219.
219, Foxtrot, Air Canada 108.